Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the ChatGPT application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your Android device and then tap on the search box and just type in ChatGPT and start your search. Once you find the ChatGPT application, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the ChatGPT application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button, which you can tap on in order to open up the application. Once you open up the ChatGPT app, you can proceed forward with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one to start using the ChatGPT app on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the ChatGPT application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.